Hello everyone. So today's topic is all about method overloading. First of all, if two methods having same name, okay, but different numbers of arguments or different types of arguments, then those methods are called as overloaded methods. But in Python, method overloading is not possible. If we are trying to declare multiple methods with the same name and different number of arguments, then Python will always consider only last method. So we have one example over here, class demo. We have same function method name m1, m1, m1. No parameter, one parameter, two parameters. But still, if I suppose write 10 comma 20, okay, while calling 10 comma 20, will show you the different situation and scenario also. Python will always execute the last method. Okay, so let us check the output of this control S. Okay, it is printing two argument method, that is this line. But suppose if I give one parameter, chalo, 10, control S, F5, we are getting error. One required positional argument is missing. And suppose if I don't give any parameter, control S, because of this, it is missing two positional arguments, A and B. So method overloading is not possible in Python. It will only accept or always consider only the last method in case of having same method name. Okay, thank you everyone.